Alright, I'm ready. Whenever you guys are ready.
Okay. La 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 da da. Hi guys.
Hey, Natasha, how you doing?
I'm really good. How are you?
Oh, you know I can't complain.
Makwa, you doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing real good. Real good.
Hey Steven, how you doing today?
I'm doing quite well, Natasha. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. How you doing, Anamosh?
Well, I'm just about right as rain, Natasha. How about yourself?
I'm great.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Paul Stanley, and today on BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, we're going to do Ojibwe Greetings.
Alright, okay, let me start. BOOZHOO, DG. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan.
Mukwa, Nindija Nakaz. Mukwa is my name. Hey, BOOZHOO, Niji. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan. Wabooz, Nindija Nakaz. Wabooz is my name. Hey, BOOZHOO. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan. Hello, mate.
No, you're supposed to say it in Ojibwe.
Oh, that's right. Try it again. Well, BOOZHOO, on a most indigenous cause. BOOZHOO, Niji, Anin, Eji Nakazo yan. Hello, mate. I did it again. One more time. I'll do it for right. This time, I swear.
Baka!
Alright, then, hey, BOOZHOO, Niji. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan.
Goes against indigenous cause. Hello. I'm not supposed to speak in English. It's so hard. Hey, BOOZHOO, Niji. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan.
BOOZHOO, Niji. Hello, brother. Paul Stanley, Nindija Kaz. Paul Stanley is my name. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan. What is your name? Benjamin, Indigenous Kaz. BOOZHOO, Anin, Eji Nakazo yan.
Well, BOOZHOO, on a most indigenous cause. BOOZHOO, Niji, Anin, Eji Nakazo yan. Goes against. Goes against. Yeah, I don't goes against. One more time.
Baka! BOOZHOO, Niji. Baka Akwe, Nandija Nakaz. BOOZHOO. Anin, Eji Nakazo yan. Baka!
Let's just call it the show before we do more damage.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Alright, well, thanks for watching the show.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO podcast.
About Ojibwe language.
And culture. I am Baka Akwe.
I am Paul Stanley of KISS. My name is Stephen. Stephen Indigenous Kaz.
I am goes against. I am Mukwa. I am Wabooz.
I am Benjamin.
I am Anamosh.
I will say it again.
Giga Waba Min.
Minawa. Hoa.
Oh, wow.
Hoa.
Oh,
Hoa. Hoa indeed.
Oh, wow, wow, woohoo!
I don't think I can do that very well.
What? Why are you laughing?
Oh, I don't know.
You know, we could do a spin-off show. Oh, that's a great idea.